Ever shared a meme and wondered if you're breaking the law? The legal ownership of memes is surprisingly complex. Can you actually own one? Well, it's complicated. Most memes start with someone else's copyrighted content. A movie screenshot, viral photo, or stock image. When you add text to create a meme, you're making what lawyers call a derivative work. The original creator still owns the underlying image, so why aren't we all getting sued? It's thanks to fair use, which allows limited use of copyrighted material for commentary, criticism, or parody. Most personal meme sharing qualifies as fair use, transforming the original with new meaning. But businesses beware. Using memes commercially is different. The fair use shield weakens when profit enters the picture. Companies should get permission or a license from the copyright holder. Remember, Grumpy Cat's owners won $710,000 when their meme was used without permission. If you create a meme entirely from scratch, both image and text, congratulations, you actually do own that copyright automatically, and in some cases you can even trademark a meme's name or catchphrase.